All right, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that promises to kill one of the most tedious office jobs out there, manually matching messy data. I mean, if you've ever lost a whole day to this stuff, you're going to want to see this. You know the feeling, right? You're staring at two different spreadsheets, your eyes are glazing over, and you're just hitting Control F over and over again, trying to connect two messy lists of data. It's this universal headache that so many of us have to deal with. Okay, check this out. This is the perfect example. So on the left, you've got your trusty old VLOOKUP. It sees Gazprom Neft LLC and Gazprom Neft, and because they're not perfectly identical, it just throws its hands up and says, nope, no match. But then look at the right. Expert Matcher is, well, it's smarter. It gets the context. It knows these are the same thing and makes the connection. And that right there, that's the whole problem we're talking about. All right, let's really dig into this, the pure agony of manual matching, and get to the bottom of why the tools we all rely on just fall flat. You know, the thing about a tool like VLOOKUP is just how rigid it is. It's not smart, it's totally literal. It needs a perfect character-for-character match. One extra space, a comma that's out of place, even something like LLC at the end of a name, and poof, it's game over. It fails. And this is exactly why that rigidity is such a nightmare. Because let's be honest, real-world data is always a mess. I mean, just look at these examples here. Is Microsoft Office 365 the same as MS Office 365 Pro Plus? To any person, yeah, of course they are. Or a full name versus initials? But to a standard function? Nope. They're like two completely different languages. Okay, so this brings us to a pretty startling number, 5 to 15%. Any guesses what this represents?
That is the average error rate when a human being is stuck doing this work by hand. And you know what? It makes total sense. After staring at a screen for hours, your brain turns to mush. You get tired, mistakes happen, they're pretty much inevitable. And in a business setting, those little mistakes can end up being really costly.
Okay, so enough about the problem. Let's talk about the solution. This is where intelligent matching and this tool, Expert Excel Matcher, completely changes the game. So what exactly is this thing? Well, it's a desktop app that uses 18 different kinds of what are called fuzzy matching algorithms. So think of it like this. You're teaching the computer to understand what's similar, not just what's identical. It can see right through typos, abbreviations, and all those weird formatting issues to find the real connections in your data. And honestly, here's the magic trick. You don't have to be some kind of data wizard to make it work. The app is actually smart enough to look at your data, test all its different methods behind the scenes, and then it just picks the best one for you. So you get all that power without any of the headache. Okay, that all sounds great, but talk is cheap, right? Let's look at the actual numbers, what this really means for a business. Get ready for this number, 99%. That's the average time you save. Just let that sink in for a second.
And this table here really breaks it down. Look at this. Matching 1,000 records, that's a full workday, maybe 4 to 8 hours for a person, is done in like 2 or 3 minutes. 10,000 records, that's not a day's work. That's like a week or 2 of soul-crushing work. Now, it's about 10 to 15 minutes. And 100,000? I mean, that's practically impossible to do by hand. With this, it's maybe an hour tops. The scale of the improvement here is it's staggering.
So, you're probably thinking, okay, something this powerful has to be complicated to use, right? Well, that's the beauty of it. The whole idea is to make it incredibly simple.
And when I say simple, I mean it's literally 3 steps. Step 1, you just load your 2 files, whether they're Excel or CSV. Step 2, you just point and click. I want to compare this column with that column. And step 3, you hit Start Processing. That is it. Seriously, the app does the rest. And this isn't just a one-trick pony either. This is something that could be a game changer for pretty much every single department in a business. I mean, just think about it for a second. Your finance team, they can reconcile supplier accounts in minutes instead of days. Logistics, they can finally merge all those different product lists from different vendors. HR can sync up employee lists from different systems without pulling their hair out. And marketing, oh man, they can finally clean up and deduplicate their customer lists. It's useful pretty much everywhere you look. And look, this isn't just about saving time or making things convenient. This is about making really critical, high-stakes tasks way more reliable. For example, checking your clients against an official sanction list. If you use a VLOOKUP, it could easily miss a match just because of a tiny typo, and that could be a disastrous mistake. This fuzzy matching, it just slashes that risk.
So let's wrap up with this thought. Think about it. A full day of boring, manual work, maybe even a whole week's worth, can now be done in the time it takes you to go get a cup of coffee. So the real question isn't just about how much time you save. It's about what you can do with that time. What new ideas can you explore? What bigger problems can you solve? What are you going to do with all that time you just got back?